Guys, so today I'm gonna open up this slime. I put the camera slot sideways, so yeah. This is how the Burberry looks like, the front of it. And I just like to shake it because it's my favorite thing. And Junior, just in case wondering, he's asleep. I was gonna do a vlog with him, but I said, oh my gosh, he fell asleep. So while we don't get started and open up this black slime, as usually this is how it looks. Oh yeah, it got stuck in my hand. When you touch it, it feels like your hand is wet, but it's dry. That's what's so cool. Look at that. Look at that. It touches the ground and it could go back all. Look at that. It's like a square or a circle. Ah, damn. Look at that. Yeah, it doesn't fit on the circle. Wait, let me tell you something. There. Oh my god! Damn, I destroyed my beautiful slime. Dang it. Oh! But it can help if it helps me. Man, I destroyed my slime. Better go get some. I have to go get some more stuff. Is there more that I wanted? Dang it, there's just a little here. Who cares? That tells just how it is. Let's take this out. I'll be right back. It was stuff left. I need it more dry. Dang it, I need it more. Tray full. Here, what is it? I'm back. There you go. I get some more pressed it. There's some slime here. Let's see here. There's some more here. God. A bunch here. Oh, damn. Okay, top clean up. And well, start to draw my hands. See you next week. Peace.